Taffy, bye.
Daddy, guess me what? Guess me what? I bet you never tell me why no Sino in a fall of Jamaica. Sino? Well, that's simple, you know, Jonah. The reason why no Sino in there Jamaica is because no, Daddy, me want tell you. Okay, go ahead then. No Sino in a fall of Jamaica because first of all, Daddy, what is our island of Jamaica surrounded by? That is surrounded by the, 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 the Caribbean Sea. Yes, Daddy, you are a genius. The sea, the Caribbean Sea. And the main reason why we don't have any snow in Jamaica is because we have a no problem, Daddy. A no problem. Yes, Daddy, a no problem. From a born first, me hear about that, Junior. You don't know that we have a no problem, Daddy. A no problem. Daddy, Jamaica, no problem. Oh, Daddy, as you can see, we would almost have the sea no in Jamaica, you know. But because we have the no problem, Junior, that is why we don't have any sea no, Daddy. Junior, for safety purposes, you see. Move from
Taffy, bye.